Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we are talking about the release. We finally get to see the 2025 Subaru Forester Hybrid. They didn't release it at the Detroit Auto Show. Subaru wasn't even there, so very, very ironic to find that. But they did release it at the Chicago Auto Show. And as you can see here in their little video that they have a weird green. I think Subaru is going to offer the hybrid in multiple colors, but in past we all know that the manufacturers like to bring out their hybrids in a couple specific colors to kind of differentiate them from other vehicles or hybrids on the road. And so now we finally get to see it. It's basically the same look. They didn't go crazy. Subaru doesn't go crazy, doesn't have any weird fender covers or weird wheel choices and everything like that. It's basically the same vehicle. Now, I'm excited about this Forester. Why? It gets a little bump in horsepower. We know that Toyota and Subaru joined hands a handful of years ago in regards to, I guess, ownership and how it all worked. And in the end, guys, that's not a bad segment. And actually having those two working together, you've probably seen more Toyota vehicles coming out with all-wheel drive, especially sedans. Even though Subaru killed their legacy model after last year, they're no longer going to make that. But what is cool about it is the Forester already returned pretty good fuel economy. My 24 on the highway gets about 32 with my driving habits, my fuel choice. And of course, in town, it gets around 26. What they're claiming is this vehicle is going to have a little bit more horsepower and obviously 40% potential fuel improvements, which means if you're getting 32, that's about 12 more miles a gallon. You could push over 40 miles a gallon. The Subaru Forester is a very capable little vehicle. Now they're saying the pricing is going to start around $35,000 on this model, which the standard gas engine is usually around the low 30s anyway. So I'm excited that this was finally released. I'm glad it looks like the other Forester models. Now I prefer the 24 model better than I prefer the 25 in looks, and I like the interior in the 24 better. However, the potential of having the hybrid gives you the opportunity to potentially go up to 581 miles on a tank. You cannot beat that for a small all-wheel drive, super safe SUV. And on top of that, guys, Subaru does retain some of the best reliability standards. I think they were getting this just right before they decided to fully release it. And it does have some of the best resale. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, guys, because we're going to have lots more content as we can get our hands on one once they get to Denver and drive one and check it out. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting that new content. And we're always going to be here for you guys. So head over to the search bar, check out whatever's on the channel. Lots of Subaru content in general. And we're going to catch you on the next one.